So if we're always like, well, where are these areas? I mean, it did it here too. You just see this spot in here? It did it here for a second. See it? Yep. It was just flat out triple top, right? And then hammer. And now look at where we're at. And look at what we
Right.
just drew out and look at where it bounced. See it? Previous day low is now support. If it breaks previous day low, what should you do? There you go. Do you see how this is starting? Does everybody start to get this? How this is unfolding? And if it breaks
Yep.
previous day low, guess where it's going to go? Right there to right there to right there to right there. There's all your next levels of SPY. See it? And here's how you're going to break the habit of that. You'll just go in small, just like you had to break the mentality to start trading the way you're trading now. Now you'll go one contract. Or if you have a margin account, you can short one share, right? Do something very, very, very small. Now, I would recommend two, just because remember, we can at least shave one as it goes. But it's the same thing. It's just the psychology of it. But to put your training wheels on until you're comfortable trading up or down, put your training wheels on and actually get your hands dirty and get in there and do it. There's no other way than to just do it. Those of you that don't have accounts that can warrant you using the real money, I never recommend using real money. Ted, you could buy 2 contracts of SPY. Your risk will be maybe $100, right? Go small, go way out of the money, just to get you guys inside of there. You could buy $50 contracts, 2 of them, right? If you guys are trading the EWO, look at this. See your signal here? Boom. So if you guys are not doing that, you're already cherry picking the trades, right? So you're missing out. So this one you got to go up, right? This one you got to go down. So you're missing, and you got the smaller one than the larger one because you're picking which one you want, right?
Because I'm cherry picking, if it does decide on a direction and I'm not in that direction, then I've really lost some money.
Well, yeah, your only success is one way. So you're missing half of everything, right?
Exactly, coach.
Yeah, there's just so much to that. And that also means you guys can never do straddles, right? Which is a huge thing of what we do. Because you would buy a call and a put, which is down and up. This would have been stopped out. This one would have paid you. So you're not even able to do tons of the strategies that we have in here.
I was looking at the 2-minute EWO right before 2 o'clock. You see how the red bars are getting smaller? Is that an entry point as you see them consistently getting smaller, or do you wait until it flips green?
No. If you're talking about the EWO, you have to wait till the colors flip. Yeah, there's no exception to that rule ever.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks,
otherwise you're scalping. If you're not waiting for the 2-minute EWO, which was exactly right here and exactly right here, then you're just scalping. Yeah, you're scalping.
When you see how it's approaching that key level at 96.24 and it bounced off of it, you could scalp that though based off the EWO, seeing how the bars are getting smaller.
That's 2 things, so please don't confuse this because I'll have everybody confused. They're 2 different training methodologies, but yes, you can always have an entry for a scalp on a 2-minute because it's already showing you where it wants to go, right? But as soon as you start blending that together, you're going to run into all sorts of problems. They are not the same thing at all. Yep.